Over the next 20 years, 95% of global urban growth will occur in developing countries. The rapidly expanding cities in Tanzania are increasingly vulnerable to climate risks because of weak urban and land use planning, little information to assess vulnerability and risk, and lack of updated infrastructure.
Salaam itself is more than 70% of the city is unplanned, where you have no drainage system, you have no roads, poor solid waste collection, and all sorts of problems. It's only geospatial which can actually solve this problem.
Since 2017, the Tanzania Urban Resilience Program has focused on risk identification, risk reduction, and disaster preparedness and emergency management. The impact has been knowledge, skills, and innovative designs for transformative investments. From 900 students creating an open map of the city to drones being used to build flood models, and from trialing new technologies for weather and flood monitoring to developing emergency response plans. Transformations that are helping governments and citizens to improve their city. Now the Tanzania Resilience Academy will embed these best practices and achievements into the academic courses offered by 4 Tanzanian universities.
In Swahili, we have this saying, shida inafundisha. It means when you have a problem, you learn. Universities are empowered to use the resources they have, which is the students and the academic curricula, to basically help the society in climate issues like floods.
These students we are training, they are the future natural resource managers. They need to know these issues so that they can educate the societies.
The Resilience Academy will equip young people with tools, knowledge and skills to address the world's most pressing urban challenges and ensure resilient urban development.
I'm just excited. I'm excited to see these methodologies and these tools which are very easy and cheap and open source. And the current students who are learning the right tools easily, they can then influence or help when they are decision maker to know exactly what they should be doing.
You know, young people have brilliant minds. They learn very fast. They can jump onto anything. They're ready to learn and ready to practice. And these are the people that will be making decisions for the future.
So this has come in the right time to help our students on how to collect quality and reliable data that will be entrusted by those government agencies and community.
The Resilience Academy is establishing a geospatial information system, or GeoNode, a content management system for climate risk information and research.
We have this younger generation from the university, especially students, collect this data, put them in a centralized location, which will be accessible to everybody who is a stakeholder in making this Dar es Salaam more resilient. For all the planners, for instance, if they get this data, they will be able to make actually informed decisions.
The Resilience Academy is developing open access education material for university staff and students.
The main goal of Resilience Academy is transforming the curriculum from theory-based to more practical skills that could enable students to work on various solutions that could be solve a societal problem.
I would like to see it in a way of empowering the universities to be one of the strong actors in the society, to do such education and research that can have an impact on the more sustainable development of the society.
The Resilience Academy is building a long-term internship program providing university students with practical skills needed to apply their academic knowledge in their own communities.
So this is a very good test bed. You do have a problem, you do have an environment that is not fully developed and therefore very dynamic, but then you do have an army of these wonderful, young, dynamic people who can very readily contribute.
Join us at the Resilience Academy.